two games and important games against two good teams. You know, Croatia, obviously everyone knows how good a team Croatia is, and Hungary, who have just beat Croatia, so it shows, and they were unlucky against Slovakia in the first game, so I think we've seen in the first round this is a competitive group. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's pivotal, but it's obviously very important.
It was amazing. Ryan Giggs was there, so we had all our stuff that we wanted to get signed, and then we got taken into another room where a press conference was going on.
It was good to meet Ryan Giggs, and the best part about it is I got to ask the question, and the question was, what do you think's harder, playing international football or coaching international football?
Coaching is far more difficult, yeah, because as a player you just really got to, although you're part of a team, really you're concentrating a lot on yourself, making yourself fit and making sure you're ready for training in the games, whereas a coach, together with your staff, you're looking after a group of players. That's more difficult because you're dealing with, rather than just yourself, you're dealing with, you know, a bigger group. Yeah, I would say coaching is much more difficult. Good question. We've worked a lot on fitness, obviously a few tactical stuff while we were away, but mainly just getting the lads back to speed, and obviously Gareth was part of that. Looked really sharp, was happy. Obviously, I've said before, when he joins up with Wales, he's surrounded by his friends, he loves it. The thoughts around Ethan really was he's not been involved in the last few camps. Even if he just comes Colliers Park and trains, then that's fine. Terrible what happened. I've spoke to Dan, he's rang me, he wants to be involved, he wants to be part of the two games. No, everyone who's picked for this squad is capable of playing in the games.
Now, what is the question, Dino?
Visiting plays with Ryan Giggs and Dean Keldrad.
I think to emulate what Chris and Osh and the players did in France in the European Championships, and just compete to get to these major championships.